Welcome to Scrum. Alex and his team now have clearly defined roles. They are ready to find their rhythm. This rhythm comes from Scrum events, which are structured moments that bring alignment, focus, and momentum. There are 5 official Scrum events: the Sprint, Sprint Planning, Daily Scrum, Sprint Review, and Sprint Retrospective. Each event plays a vital role in guiding the team through complexity. The sprint is the heartbeat of Scrum, a time-boxed period, usually 2 to 4 weeks, where the team builds something valuable. For Alex's team, it's their focused window to design, build, test, and deliver. Before a sprint begins, there's a sprint planning. Maya, the product owner, brings the top items from the backlog, and the developers discuss how to achieve them. Together, the team sets a sprint goal, a single, clear focus. Every day, the team gathers for the daily scrum, which is a 15-minute check-in. They discuss progress, blockers, and what's next. With Alex as the Scrum Master facilitating, this daily rhythm keeps momentum high. At the end of the sprint, it's time for the sprint review. The team showcases what they built live, and the stakeholders give feedback. Maya, the product owner, notes what worked, what didn't, and how needs have shifted. After the review comes the sprint retrospective, a moment for the team to reflect what went well, what could improve, and with Alex's guidance, they pick one small change to try in the next sprint. Scrum events aren't just meetings, they're moments of clarity, time-boxed, purposeful, and consistent. They replace endless emails and vague check-ins with structure that empowers. Through these events, Alex and his team have gained more than progress. They've gained confidence.